Parker Pneumatics E-Tools are available to assist in a variety of ways. Did you know there are 5 e-tools currently available? Parker Lookup Tool, Electronic Product Manual, EPM, PCS Configurator, Web and Mobile Pneumatic Calculators, Cadenas CAD, and 3 more coming soon. Size and Select Tool, Online Competitive Conversion Guides, Improved Valve Manifold Configurator. Let's take a look at the Part Lookup tool. Prior to Part Lookup tool, you either called the division directly or manually looked up info in the catalog and the price guides. You will have to agree both were time-consuming processes. The PLT allows you to have all the information at your fingertips in just moments. Simply go to www.pdnpartlookup.com to log in. The Part Lookup tool has been evolving with some robust improvements that are now available. Highlighted improvements include kits, functional replacements, discontinued crossovers, and a major time-saving bulk search feature. To begin your search, simply type the part number into the search box and click Search, or click the Enter key. As you can see, it provides a complete list of the part numbers that start with our example of 05R2. The top portion of the list contains active part numbers, while the lower section lists obsolete items. In the active list, you can view if the distributor is authorized to purchase a given part, the quantity available, pricing quantity breaks, box quantity costs, list price, description, and lead time. Once you select an item, you will then be able to drill down to more information specific to that part number. If the part you are looking up had pricing breaks for quantities, that information would be displayed in this format. One of the impressive new features available is the kit list. This lists all the kits that are associated with that part number. Now, you don't have to reference your catalog. The information is available at your fingertips. A perfect upselling opportunity for your inside sales teams. This also enables you to view the items contained in the kit. Back at the main search results page, if we look at the obsolete items on the list, it lists the functional replacement and conversion notes. This information was typically only available by contacting PDN's Applications Department. Again, a time saver. Another major time saver is the bulk search feature. If you receive a list of parts via email, you can simply copy and paste the list into the bulk search box. Click to Bulk Search in the Part Look tool. Paste List of Parts into Search field and click Search. The result is a fast and very user-friendly table containing all the part numbers you copied and pasted. This search function also separates the obsolete parts into their own section for your convenience. In the future, there will be an export button, but for now, you can simply copy the information from the table and paste this information into your application. The formatting will be maintained, so super fast, usable information ready for you and your customer. Speed is king. When you start a search, you can adjust your search parameters based on the information you have available. Search parameters include All, Part Number and Description field, Part Number, Part Description, Contains, Starts with, Is, Ends with. You can also view items in stock with a simple checkbox. One recent addition is the ability to view and download installation instruction sheets. They are accessible in the main search window or within the specific part details. The Part Lookup tool was designed for distributors, and we have also developed a public version of the tool that is encouraged to be used and shared. www.pdnplu.com allows end users to access the instruction sheets and other detailed information without disclosing pricing and discount information. As many of you know, the Electronic Product Manual, EPM, is a one-stop shop tool. In the past, you would have had stacks of product catalogs and 3-ring binders to keep updated. Bulletins were hard to find, and many were unsure of where to find information. So, mass confusion might be a good description of the situation. With the EPM, the information you need is available 24/7. The EPM is a library of every literature piece that has been distributed in the past 20+ years, both historical and current. This includes communications, bulletins, product updates, launches, and discontinuances. To access the EPM, connect to the A&H Distributor Forum. Select the Electronic Product Manual, click on the link, and enter your PH Connect ID. The EPM tool immediately displays all documents available for viewing. Then, you can use the interactive filters to narrow your search. There are many categories available to help pinpoint your search. For example, let's look for policies. The default search has over 2,400 documents. Once policies is checked, the search finds 15 documents. All of the documents open as PDF, so you can print, save, and use as you wish. There is also a powerful keyword search function. For example, if we search micro, our results return 31 documents. Please note, this specifically searches the title and document name only to compile the list. Within your search result, you can view what type of document is available. You can also sort by date to ensure you are seeing the most current information. Another very helpful option is to search who to contact. This will lead you to the organizational bulletin, which contains organization chart, who to contact, and field sales management team. Are you one of the 3,000 users of the online calculators? Or are you still lugging your calculator around in your briefcase? Finding it hard to get your gears going to remember all of the formulas and conversions? The online pneumatic calculators are available to download from the iPhone App Store or Google Play Store. It's also available online at www.parkerpdncalc.com. There are currently 17 different calculators, some of which are contained in submenus. Compressed air electricity cost calculators. Cost savings due to using Parker's air economizing feature. Storage tank, receiver, sizes and capacities. Valve FRL sizing programs. Conversion tools. This application also contains a link to the distributor lookup tool on Parker.com. This is a very handy tool, and it's easily accessible via the three formats: web, iPhone, and Android platforms. Let's look at an example of how impactful the air cylinder operation, force, cost, and flow calculator can be. You simply put in your customer parameters. By using this interactive tool, you can see how the application output information changes. This allows the user to adjust the input data on the fly to arrive at the correct output parameters. In this example, once the information is complete, the calculator provides the annual cost along with other relevant application details. You can share this information via email with just a click of a button. Here's a quick look at what the email looks like, with all the data included. Note, for privacy concerns, email addresses are not stored by the system. The new CAD Tool is 50 times faster than our former system for providing customer CAD drawings. It's like going from snail mail to email. Before this tool, there was a lot of waiting, and then the CAD files were only available in just a few drawing formats, which could be difficult to use for some users. The new CAD Tool will provide native formats that can be imported to virtually any CAD software. There are many formats to choose from, which is far better than the limited few previously available. Let's take a closer look at how this CAD tool works. Start at parker.com/pneu. Select the CAD index. We are going to use a P31F for our example. As you can see, you will need to configure your part with series, size, thread type, port size, element type, bowl type, drain type, mounting. To view and download a drawing, enter your email address and select Generate CAD. In the viewer pane, we could see the 3D preview, rotate the preview, as well as look at several viewing details. 3D view with dimension, skeleton view, solid view, 2D view. 2D views are available with additional information. When ready to download a CAD file, select the file format. This is where the real improvements have been made, including numerous 2D and 3D native file formats. Notice you can also download a PDF datasheet by clicking the Generate Datasheet button. Remember, the key to unlocking our potential with a client is the speed at which we can show them real-time data and parts. Remember, a key feature of the Parker Cylinder Configuration Tool is speed. This amazingly fast tool enables you to configure a new cylinder with common modifications from start to finish. Once you have requested a CPN, a new part number is generated and is loaded into Parker's mainframe system. The system automatically loads the bill of material, pricing, and delivery all within minutes of pressing the CPN button. No competitor can match the speed of this configuration tool, a clear pre-sale advantage. Thanks for listening in. All of these tools are designed to make life easier and more efficient for you and your customers, giving you more time to do the things you love.